Why do quadrilateral angles always add to 360? Imagine folding a piece of paper into a four-sided shape and then flattening it out. Have you ever wondered why all the angles inside that shape always add up to the same number? Well, it all comes down to how shapes work in flat, two-dimensional space. A quadrilateral is a shape with four sides. No matter if it's a square, rectangle, trapezoid, or an irregular four-sided shape, the total of its interior angles always equals 360 degrees. That might sound like a magic trick, but it's actually based on a simple rule in geometry. Here's how it works. If you draw a line connecting to opposite corners inside the quadrilateral, you split the shape into two triangles. Remember, every triangle's interior angles add up to 180 degrees. So, each of these two triangles has angles summing to 180 degrees. Now, if you add the angles of both triangles together, you get 180 plus 180, which equals 360 degrees. Since the four angles in the original shape are just the angles inside these two triangles combined, the total must be 360 degrees. This rule applies to all quadrilaterals, whether they are perfect squares or irregular shapes. It doesn't matter if the sides are different lengths or the angles are not equal. As long as the shape is flat and has four sides, the inside angles will always add up to 360 degrees. Knowing this property is super helpful when working out unknown angles in a shape. If you know some of the angles, you can easily find the others because they must add up to 360 degrees. It's also a key idea when studying more complex shapes like polygons with more sides. So, the reason why all the angles inside a quadrilateral add to 360 degrees is because you can split the shape into two triangles, and the combined angles of those triangles always total 360 degrees. It's a simple, reliable rule that helps us understand and work with all kinds of four-sided shapes.